Hi there, this is Ravi from Techposts Guides, and in this video I will show you how to install a dash cam in Suzuki Baleno, Toyota Glanza or any other car. However, in this particular video I will install a 70 Pro 2K dash cam in my Baleno car. So stay tuned and watch until the end for great tips on dash cam installation. It's been more than 6 months I bought and installed this dashcam in my Baleno Zeta 2019 car. I bought it from AliExpress for just 54 US dollars without GPS module. There were no custom duties, nothing at all, and it was delivered within 20 days from China. I did not order GPS module because I don't think that's going to make any major difference or help in my driving. One thing I would like to say about this dashcam is that it works great. It's voice controlled, which makes it more unique and easy to use. Turn off the screen.
The display is off.
Turn on the screen.
The display is on.
Take picture.
Photo taken.
Anyways, if you want me to create a video and review 70 in Indian weather conditions, especially Delhi NCR, let me know. We'll upload it as soon as possible. In the box, you get two electrostatic windshield stickers. These stickers ensures your dashcam remains stuck on the windshield no matter if rides are jerky or environment is hot, humid or cold. Then we have the car USB charger and a very long cable. This is micro USB cable, and then there's a prying tool for the installation and the dashcam. Now let's begin the installation. Start by cleaning the windshield area where you wish to install the dashcam. I installed it on passenger side, don't know why, but I would suggest you to install it on driver side. That way you will be able to see the display and control the dashcam with physical button. Anyways, after cleaning the area, you have to paste this anti-static film on the windshield. Once film is pasted, take out the tape cover and paste the camera attachment. Now begin the wiring from the bottom around dashboard and glove box area. There's plenty room behind the glove box in the car. Just use your hand and try to find some space where you can get in the USB cable. In Baleno, Glanza and other Maruti Suzuki and Hyundai car, it's around this part. Once you have the wire from inside the glove box, move it towards the passenger door. Open the passenger door and take out this rubber seal. This won't damage anything. And now try to find some hole or cut out from where you can grab the wire. In Baleno and Maruti cars, it's here. Take it out and then use your both hands to press and get in the wire behind the dashboard completely. Once done, it's clean. Now, remove the pillar cover. It's easy but be gentle. Use prying tool if necessary. I didn't use it, just use my hand. When it comes out, you hear the pop sound and then you can put in the wire and close it. It's really easy, just be gentle. Now move the cable around the rear view mirror and connect the cable to the camera. Put wire into the upper roof to hide it. Use prying tool again or your hands, both work. There's minor gap between the roof and this padding, so just push it inside it. Now pull the extra wire and fold it. Use some wire or tape or zip tie the extra wire behind the glove box. Make sure you do it properly and it doesn't hinder the glove box closing and opening. There's an empty area in the dashboard, just put it right there. Now once you do that, connect the USB to the car charger and that's it. That's how you install a dashcam in a car, particularly in the Suzuki Baleno and Toyota Glanza as I showed you. This was all in this video guys. Hope you liked it. If so, please subscribe for more. In case you want to know more about the car or the dashcam and other accessories that I have installed in my car, leave your comments down below. I will respond to each and every comment at the earliest, so drop your queries, questions right there in the comment. Also, I have tons of videos to share on Baleno and Glanza because essentially both are same. It's just badging and customer service. I have many cool accessories too to share with you that I have installed in my car, and you would definitely want to know about them. A few videos I'm linking here, you can find those links in the description also, or you can click these thumbnails to watch those videos. By the way, here's a teaser. So now that you know, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.